Good morning, friends. Last week we saw gold making all-time highs. Thereafter, a heavy profit booking was seen in Thursday and Friday session. Though the volumes have tapered down during the last second half of the Friday, we didn't see much volumes that was taking place. The profit booking was seen earlier in that particular day till mid-afternoon. Thereafter, the passive move started in the gold. For this week, if you want to comment on this week's trend, most likely we are going to see a kind of consolidation or a range-bound market in this particular session. This week is going to be very important as to understand how the next trend is going to take place. So on the downside, as long as we do not break 2360 on the downside, we are still in a long-term buy on dips market. So basically, like if you were to look at it, the correction or the consolidation phase that is going on right now should terminate in between 2388 and 2360. We should not go below that particular thing, so that we have another leg coming up on the upside. But that leg could be like the make all-time highs of 2480 to 2520. That is the ultimate target that we are seeing out for this particular year itself. So we need to be watchful how the price is going to react in the major support zone of 2388 and 2360. You for this particular week, you can continue to trade with the trend and try to take the best sell or the best buy only, so that because it's a range bound market, we will definitely get those levels being triggered. Try to keep $5 stop loss, nothing beyond that, wherever your entry is at the good sell or the good buy. Sorry, the best sell or the best buy. So you keep $5. That is what we are expecting for this particular entire week. So if you were to look at it for this particular day, like the underlying trend still remains bearish, and the best sell at 2424. So you can keep around 2430 as the stop loss and take a sell at 2424. Uh, this is the thing that we are looking out for with regards to the entire week. It's going to be a kind of consolidation or the counter move that is going to take place in the gold. These are the important levels to be watched out for this particular week: 2388 and 2360 on the downside. So that is going to be the ideal zone where this consolidation or the correction going to terminate. So if you were to look at the volumes that has happened, as I told little earlier ago, after a heavy profit booking that was seen, you can see that the volumes was tepid for the Friday afternoon session. This is not the volumes that we are looking out for. This is a future markets data. Like you can understand that usually we see these kind of 340 contracts, 160 contracts, 320 contracts. Usually we see in the first half of the session, but on a Friday, second half of the session, we don't expect this kind of very tepid volumes to take place. But last Friday, it was very like almost like profit booking is complete and the correction is over. So people are also waiting for where the next move is going to take place. Is it going to be the upside or the downside? As per my understanding on the entire wave structure that I believe as per GAN, we still have one more leg upside that is left, and that is open towards, as I informed you, it's going to be towards 2480 and 2520. One more leg is there unless and until we break down below 2360. So that is going to be a very major support zone 2388 and 2360. Closer to those levels, you can try the buy, or you can wait for the underlying trend to be bullish, back in bullish zone, to take a confirmed buy there from there on, like after hitting the support zone of 2388 and 2360. So these are the very important key levels to be watched out for in this particular week. We believe that this entire week is going to be a kind of consolidation, so try to be light volumed and wait for the next upside to be open or the downside to be open. As per my assessment, there is still one more leg upside yet to be seen. So this is why I'm informing you well in advance that we still have one more leg upside. Let us see how things will unfold from here on. We'll stay connected. We do not expect much volatility in the first half of this Monday's session. As usual, it's going to be a very tepid one. But in the second half, also, we are not expecting anything. As I said, this is going to be a consolidation or a kind of passive moves that are going to take place in gold. So prepare yourself mentally for the next big move that is going to take place. Either way, like break out on the either side, we will keep you informed where this is going to take place. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll stay connected at 4 p.m. and we'll see how things are unfolding from there on. Thank you.